What's up guys, I'm here to Rc-Xtreme G-Pit. As you can see, super muddy, wet, dirty, with the Traxxas X-MAXX number 3 in my collection. This is just a small test here. It is weight. Well, so much for that. Try to keep it clean. But one thing is pretty darn sure. I need to adjust my brake settings. That's the good thing with a new Hobbywing system, you can do it with your phone. Can you have too much power? So much for that brand new body. Sorry, Sammy. And the shock setup is way too much pack. This is 40 weight, 500-ish CST, and too much. It's like a brick. But that's the way I like it. It's better to have too much than too little. God damn. Everything of this car was basically brand new. Yeah, I'm still gonna continue to do what? And this is barely half throttle. Okay, that was less than a half a second full throttle. So I'm just gonna take it off. Not too dirty. The motor is warm. But as you can see, I could probably push it a lot more. Sorry. Well, I think the MX43 from Proline is the key with this amount of power. It's ridiculous, but I love it. It's so freaking awesome. And my new chassibrace should arrive this upcoming week. Ah. Thanks for watching, guys. So done testing with the Traxxas X-Maxx number 3 in my collection. Now that's a power plant. This is the Hobbywing 56118, the G2 1600 kV Max5HV plus blah blah blah. The only thing I did with it, resoldered the connectors to one XT150. Now the car was in really good shape. There were some small parts that I changed. For example, the white kit was red, I changed it to black. All CVDs are polished, gone through, new bearings, everything in the whole car. The hubs are Shorched RC, once front and rear. Some ultimate parts on critical places, more or less, front and rear diff cover. I did the upper brace mod, double at the front and the rear. The shocks, of course, they were red, original, in really good shape. But I wanted to tinko the shaft on that one, and I'm also running M2C Racing's O-ring pistons. So I actually found a complete set, fully set, in the hub room in my spare part compartments, or whatever you call it. So they are brand new, using 40 weight, still way too much back. Maybe it's good when the condition is warmer, but the 30 would be the key. The car feels basically dead, but the diffs, brand new, aluminum cups on all 3 spots. Of course, the mid one is stock aluminum, but front and rear running 200k, 500k, and 1 million in the mid. And it's still wheel on demand. M2C Racing's twin center shaft. I'm waiting for the inner tube. Got upgraded the version 2 or the new version. New front bumper. The only thing that I kept is the chassis. It was in good shape. M3 or 3M motor mount adjustable, and a homemade ESC mount, as you can see, or hopefully, and the steering belt crank system also from Ultimate, and the Spurgear ish, well, 5034, and it holds Rs. So that's the complete build. And hopefully next week, or this upcoming week, my laser cut and machine bent chassis brace will arrive. Hopefully. That's it. I said I was just gonna do a small quick, but it looks like 10 years old now. I'm just gonna let it dry and then clean it off. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.